Dear students, today we are going to discuss one question which is there in 6th standard State Board textbook exercise part of lesson number 1. The question is, what is the angular distance between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn? Before we could see how to write this answer, let us understand what is this, what does this mean to say. See, if I draw a circle over here, this becomes my earth, and if I divide this earth with a horizontal line exactly into equal parts, that becomes my equator. And you had learnt about the definition of latitude. What is latitude? It is the angular distance from equator to any place. It is the angular distance. How do you measure angular distance? Using the protractor. So if I draw one parallel of latitude in this way and another in this way, you all know the names of this. This is equator, this is Tropic of Cancer, and this is Tropic of Capricorn. And the address of this is Tropic of Cancer lies at 23 degree 30 minutes north, whereas Tropic of Capricorn lies at 23 degree 30 minutes south. And how did we get this 23 degree 30 minutes? When the angle was measured with the help of protractor from equator, we got this value 23 degree 30 minutes, and same way for the Tropic of Capricorn. Now the question is the difference between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So what am I supposed to do? I have to add these two values. How will I add? And then I will get the total angle, this plus this. So as you all did the additions of hours and minutes in your earlier standards, the same way we have to add these two values, 23 degree 30 minutes, 23 degree 30 minutes. Now 30 plus 30 makes 60, but 60 minutes makes 1 degree. Got it? So instead of writing anything here, I will add 1 over here. This 60 minute makes 1 degree. So I have converted it here. 23 plus 23 makes 46. 46 plus 1 makes 47. Thus the answer is distance between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is 47 degree. And here we don't have to write any direction north or south, because this is just the measure of angular distance. Understood? Yes, thank you.